Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to use an old eyeshadow palette from the Naked Urban Decay Heat. You guys, I have this palette for a while, so you can see I already do my face. So I am just going to do my color here. So let's show you the color from this eyeshadow palette. I have this for a while, you guys, and I am going to start use up some of my old eyeshadow then and do some looks. So I am going to go, you guys, into this color right here, which is really a dark color. I am going to do this one here, start from this one right here. Right here, I'm going to just pick up some of it. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And for my old friends, thank you so much for stopping by, and do subscribe to my channel. So guys, I am happy to be back. This is my final look of the Naked Urban Decay Heat eyeshadow palette. Have this palette for a while, decided to retry it out again. So this is the eye look. Let's put some eyeliner and some mascara on the eyes lash, and that's it, you guys. So these are the color. I only used 4 from this, which was this one here first, this one second, and then I end up going into this one under the brow bone and on my lid, and then I end up put this one here and the lid in between, right, my tear duct here. So this is my final look for the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, you guys. I remember when these palettes come out and I know that I have to get one, so I did, which I barely use, like maybe one time I use it. Most of my eyeshadow palette then just use one time and that's it. And I just, circle on it today and decided to do this look. And for the foundation is Too Faced Born This Way foundation I wear today. Really full coverage. It's a nice blend foundation. So this is what I am wearing today on my face. But guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel for my new people that come in on my channel, and for my old and die-hearted subscriber, I thank you so much. I appreciate you guys, and I want to say God bless you, and I will see you guys in my next upload. So ciao. Hit the glasses.